All right, everyone, this is Marco Palmera, founder of Ulysses in Dubai. In this video, I want to talk about the value of valuing your business, so getting a valuation report done, and also what are the pros and cons of getting a report like this. Now, I want to do this because many times I see people struggle with this aspect. They don't have a full understanding of what their company is worth, and they enter the sale process without knowing what to expect. And in most cases, that ends up costing them the deal because they're unable to find a suitable buyer. In most cases, also, people don't fully know how to navigate the process. And with a little bit of information, they would have been able to get a deal done. And so I think talking about what the valuation report can support these companies with is important. Again, it might be useful for a lot of businesses that just wish to get a little bit more data around their business and around the market they're in. You might not necessarily want to sell your business tomorrow, but you might want to consider having this report just to understand what the trajectory that you want to take and what are some of the adjustments that you can make to make your assets worth a lot more money. So most of the challenges that I've seen people face and I see people struggle with when it comes to selling their assets is that, one, they don't have a full understanding of what the company is all about, and two, they generally need to hire an expensive consulting firm to get their company valued and get a better understanding of what the business is all about. Now, that doesn't have to be that way because, of course, many times consulting firms will charge you a premium for information that doesn't necessarily serve you fully, while instead getting a standardized valuation report done that is based on market data and information, basic information of your business, can actually provide all the answers that you need in order to make accurate assessments. Of course, that document should serve you as a support document to then make informed decisions. But the point is, in most cases, the basic stuff is all you need in order to decide whether or not you want to sell your business. Then there are other services that might be more suitable for you as you step into the deal-making arena. It might be investment bankers that can support you in selling the business. But before you actually do that, you might want to collect information on your own, get your business valued on a preliminary level, and that's when valuation report can really become handy. And some of the questions that small or simplified valuation report can address are, can my business be worth more in the future? And also, I noted down here, is it the right time to think about selling? Because markets are very different. It might be the right time to sell an healthcare company, but it might not be the right time to sell a whole company. Markets really change, and so you might want to get a little bit more detail on that. And additionally, is my brand strong enough to have some value in the market? This is a question that a lot of small owners have. And what are the steps that I need to take to make this brand or this business worth more in the future? Sometimes these mistakes don't necessarily necessitate a big consulting firm to fix. They're just very easy to spot, and a simplified valuation report will provide you information around that. The most important thing from my perspective is that a valuation report can support you in getting a range of prices in what are the trading multiples of your business. And that, again, can really support you when you step into the open market because you know what to expect. And so you avoid that delusional approach that a lot of small owners have, that is, I just want X amount of money for Y reason, but they don't have any rationale behind that. You value your business first, you get that data you need, then you know you can back that statement up with something because you have insights on the market and you know what are the price range that you can expect. So, why am I talking about all this, by the way? Well, because I got asked by a lot of people, isn't there a simplified solution to get my company valued without paying huge fees to consulting firms? And there actually is. There are many solutions available, one of which we provide at Ulysses is a simplified valuation report. And the reason why we provide that is because, again, we want to take the industry knowledge and the market data that is available to support companies in getting their business valued quickly and without complicating the process too much. What we've seen is that many times these owners, and you as an owner, if you're watching this video, are just looking to get the basic information in that will give answers to critical questions like, again, how much can I expect from my business? What can I fix to make it better overnight? What are some of the things that can improve the quality of my asset? What is the right time to sell my business? What are the multiples that I can expect for this particular asset? All these questions can be answered with a very light report. It doesn't need you to invest tens of thousands of dollars, really. And this is just a document that you can use as guidance to then make more deep assessments, of course. And I think that is a step that generally is missing for a lot of people. They either don't know anything about what their company is all about, or they need to pay exorbitant fees to consulting firms that will just provide a lot of data to them that sometimes will overwhelm them and will not deliver the desired outcome. The valuation report is sitting in between, and it really enables you to get all the data you need without complicating things too much. So if you're interested in getting your business valued, by the way, we have a link below. You can check out the simplified valuation report that we provide. It's a very straightforward process. It takes 72 hours for us to do because our team is very effective and is working with data that we collected in different markets. So if you're interested in getting this soft valuation report done for your business, check out the link down in the description. It's going to provide you with this document that you can then leverage to make more accurate decision. But in short, the valuation report, from my perspective, is really a stepping stone that enables you to then decide, is it right for me to sell? Should I wait? What are the steps I need to take to sell this business in the best possible way? What are some of the things I should be aware of? And so on and so forth. So the steps are really easy for you if you have knowledge and data to back your statements. And sometimes it doesn't take a whole lot, really. What we do when we go ahead and do these valuation reports for companies is we have owners fill out a questionnaire that takes them 30 minutes, really. And then with that questionnaire, which is very detailed, we can then cross-check with the market data that we got internally and create a very valuable report that answers all the questions that I just mentioned. And so this is basically it for the valuation report, the use that you can make with that. And if you're interested in getting some of these valuations done, you can check the link down below. It's a very comprehensive document, around 13 pages, 15 pages of content that you will get with quality data and assessments on your business. So make sure you check the link if you're interested in the valuation report, and I will see you in the next one.